And we are at the Piramisa Luxor. It is one of the bigger chain hotels of Egypt, very popular. I've seen their properties in Cairo, Aswan, Hargutha, and now in Luxor. This is the first time I'm staying at a Piramisa, but the resort looks phenomenal. We're just staying here for a night. Hello guys, we are at the Luxor family suite in Piramisa Hotel. এখানে একটা ছোট counter আছে kitchenette, and there's a living room. There are two bedrooms. There's the master bedroom and the shared bedroom. আগে shared bedroom এ যাই আমরা. Shared bedroom এ there's beautiful two beds. There is a beautiful window with the Nile view. There am I. There is the first washroom, যেখানে, and now we move to the second washroom. This is a beautiful huge bed, একটা dressing table, a dated TV and a dated phone. I like the nostalgia. একটা full size wardrobe, and then we have our toilet with a bathtub with a beautiful granite countertop, a bidet, and a toilet with a hand shower, which you don't get in Egypt that much. A secondary balcony in the master bedroom, and look at that view, picturesque. To finish it all off, guys, can you open the balcony for me? Oh yes, like a beautiful picturesque Nile সামনে আমাদের. The swimming pool is downstairs. It's fantastic. আমরা আগে কোনো Piramisa properties এ থাকি নাই. This is the first time, but it's beautiful beyond words. We're just here for a night.
So nice.
Hopefully we'll come back again. We're living in the Piramisa properties for the first time. It looks beautiful here. খুবই সুন্দর. Well, a lot of people come for their wedding photos to be taken here. That's how nice the hotel is. So currently going through a renovation. Pretty nice place, very chill hotel, with a great swimming pool.